What is the net electric charge of an ebonite rod after being rubbed? When an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, it gains electrons from the fur due to its higher electron affinity. This accumulation of extra electrons results in the rod possessing a net negative electrical charge. In which type of circuit are there multiple paths for electricity to flow? A parallel circuit provides multiple paths for current to flow, as components are connected across the same two nodes. This configuration ensures that if one branch is disconnected, the others remain functional, which is why it is used in household wiring. What is the purpose of a resistor in an electrical circuit? A resistor is a passive electrical component that implements electrical resistance to regulate the flow of electric current. It is essential in circuits to protect sensitive components by preventing excessive current from passing through them. Capacitors and inductors are the components primarily used to store electrical energy. While all conductors provide a path, a resistor's specific function is to impede that path rather than just provide it. Electricity is generated by power sources like batteries or generators, not by resistors. What are silicon and germanium examples of, based on their electrical conductivity under specific conditions? Silicon and germanium have electrical conductivity between that of a conductor and an insulator, which can be modified by adding impurities. They are fundamental materials in the electronics industry for making transistors and integrated circuits. What material from sugar mills can be used to generate electricity? Bagasse, the fibrous plant waste left after crushing sugarcane, is a significant source of biomass used in cogeneration plants to produce steam and electricity. This renewable energy source helps sugar mills become self-sufficient and reduces environmental waste. In the context of an electric motor's principle, what makes the conductor move? An electric motor operates on the principle that a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a mechanical force. This force, described by Fleming's left-hand rule, creates the torque necessary to rotate the motor's shaft. What is the definition of electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity is a physical property that quantifies how easily an electric current can flow through a specific material. It is the inverse of electrical resistivity and is a crucial factor in selecting materials for wiring and electronics. Which is a type of power station listed as a source of electricity? Atomic or nuclear power stations generate electricity through nuclear fission, typically using uranium or thorium as fuel. In India, the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, manages these critical energy sources. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.